Did you know that doing a 1-minute plank before hopping into bed can drastically transform your body? Sounds like a fairy tale, doesn't it? Well, let's dive into this bedtime story that could very well be your reality. Imagine a caterpillar, bundled up in its cocoon, only to emerge as a vibrant butterfly. That's what planking before bed can do to your body. The humble plank is like a magic spell that works wonders while you sleep, enhancing your core strength, improving your posture, and revving up your metabolism. Just like how the caterpillar gets its wings, planking can give you that toned abdomen and upright posture you've always dreamed of. It's more than just a workout, it's a transformation. And the best part? It only takes a minute of your time before you hit the sack. So if you're ready to metamorphose from a caterpillar into a butterfly, stay tuned. Now you might be thinking, how exactly do I pull off this magical plank? Well, fear not, it's simpler than assembling IKEA furniture. To begin, picture yourself as a sturdy, unshakable tree amidst a storm. You are strong, you are resilient, and you're about to pull off a 1-minute plank with the grace of a ballet dancer on point. First things first, position yourself face down on the floor, as if you're about to do a push-up. Your palms should be flat against the ground, right under your shoulders. Imagine you're a gymnast about to launch off the floor, except, well, you won't be launching anywhere. Next, push your toes into the floor and straighten your body. Your goal here is to create a straight line from the crown of your head to your heels. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head, extending your spine and aligning your body. You're not just a tree in this scenario, you're a redwood, tall and straight as an arrow. Now let's talk about your core. You know, that part of your body that you're sure is there, but sometimes it feels like it's on a permanent vacation. It's time to wake it up. Engage your abdominal muscles as if you're bracing for a tickle attack. Keep them tight and firm, but remember, you're not trying to crush a walnut here. Finally, let's not forget about breathing. While you're holding this pose, focus on deep, steady breaths. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Imagine you're blowing out birthday candles, but don't blow out your back in the process. Keep this position for a minute. Remember, it's a plank, not a sprint. Keep your body steady, like a ship sailing smoothly across calm seas. And voila! You've just mastered the art of planking. As simple as making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, right? So what happens when you incorporate this 1-minute plank into your nightly routine? It's like adding a turbo boost to your car's engine. Suddenly, you're not just coasting along, you're powering through, leaving everyone else in the dust. Think of planking as your secret weapon. It's the key that unlocks your body's full potential. When you plank before bed, you're telling your body, hey, we're not done yet, we've got work to do. And your body listens. It rises to the challenge. You see, planking isn't just about building strength, it's about transforming your body from the inside out. It's about improving sleep quality, increasing energy levels, and promoting overall body transformation. Imagine a world where you wake up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to conquer the day. That's the power of the plank. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single plank, or something like that. So there you have it, folks. A 1-minute plank before bed can be your secret weapon to a fitter, healthier you. It's like having a fairy godmother, but for fitness. Imagine that, a minute-long magical spell every night that transforms not just your midsection, but your entire body, all while you're in your cozy pajamas. We encourage you, as your own fitness fairy godmother, to try this 1-minute plank before bed for a week. See the transformation unfold, feel the strength build. But remember, every fairy tale has a cautionary element. Listen to your body. If it screams too much, it's okay to dial it back. Fitness is a journey, not a race. And hey, why not share your experiences? Let us know how you're doing, how you're feeling, and what changes you're observing. We're all in this together after all. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue transforming your body, make sure to give us a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on notifications. Remember, your body is a temple. Treat it well, and always keep planking.